True story from the Seerah. There was a man whose name was Thumamah ibn Uthal, and he was one of the big chiefs of the Banu Hanifa. Nothing to do with Imam Abu Hanifa. This is Banu Hanifa. This is a big tribe in the Najd, in present-day Saudi Arabia, so in the north. So Thumamah ibn Uthal decided to go for Umrah. So he left with a few people. For his fate or luck, whatever you want to call it, there was a scouting cavalry battalion of Muslims sent out by Rasulullah to patrol. They saw them and they surrounded them and they captured them. So Thumamah ibn Uthal got captured by the Muslims. They brought him, they didn't know who he was. Some guy. They brought him to Madinah and they tied him up to one of the pillars of Masjid al-Nabawi Sharif, and they informed Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. They said, "You caught some fellow, he is here." So Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when he saw him, he knew who this man was. This man is a big chief, and big chief of a very big tribe, right? So he said, "Alhamdulillah." So Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam ordered for food to be sent to Thumamah ibn Uthal from his own house. And of course, he was treated well, I mean, like anybody else those days. So he was a prisoner. He was tied up to the pole. Next morning, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam came to him and he asked him, he said, Thumamah, what do you want to say to me? He said, Ya Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, if you kill me, you will be killing somebody who has killed other people. So there is no blame on you. He said, I have killed people. So if you kill me, then you are killing someone who killed other people. No blame on you. If you leave me free, then you would have left free somebody who is capable of showing his gratitude, who will be very grateful to you. And if you want money or something, just name whatever you want. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not say anything. He did not reply to this. He left. So this fellow is now tied to the post. One full day passes. Next morning, Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam goes to him again. He said, Ya Thumamah, what do you want to say to me? He said, Ya Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the same thing I told you yesterday, I don't have anything else. If you kill me, you are killing somebody who has killed other people, so no blame on you. If you leave me free, I will be very grateful to you, I show my gratitude. And if you want ransom, if you want money or property or something, just name the price, whatever you say. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam left him. 2 days. Third day, again he asked him, Ya Thumamah, what do you have to say to me? He said, Ya Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, I have nothing different. Same thing I have to say to you, which I told you before. Same thing. So Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam ordered that Thumamah ibn Uthal should be released. No ransom, no nothing. He said, you're good, go home. Release him. The Sahaba were very surprised. They said, Ya Rasulullah, this man is, first of all, he is from the enemy. Secondly, you are releasing him, but this man is worth money. He is, at least we get something from him. Some ransom. And this is like big time. He says, anything you want, I'll give you. Rasulullah said, no, let him go. They let him go. Thumamah ibn Uthal left. He went into one of the date plantations in Madinah, which had a well. He took a bath. He came back to Masjid al-Nabawi, to Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and he said, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu annaka Rasulullah. Alhamdulillah, everybody is very happy. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam asked him, why didn't you say this when you were here? He said, because I don't want people to say I said it out of fear. You want to kill me, no problem. I am your prisoner. When you release me, I am now on my own. I can do what I want. Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not give him dawah even for 1 minute. Nothing. He did not even say to him, accept Allah as your ma'bud. No. Thumamah ibn Uthal, he was there. He was tied in the masjid. He was watching whatever was happening, regular activity of the masjid, 5 times prayer. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would be giving his khatira. After Fajr he used to give. He would listen to that. People would come and ask him questions. He would be answering. Maybe somebody's got a conflict. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is resolving the conflict and so on. Whatever. 3 days of normal activity in the masjid, which the man saw. Nobody talked to him. Nobody gave him da'wah. Nobody argued with him. Nobody debated with him. He accepted Islam. One of the most powerful chiefs of the Hijaz and the Najd. And then he said, Ya Rasulullah, I was on my way to Umrah when your people captured me. What do you want me to do? Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, go, make Umrah. But make Umrah now as a Muslim, not as a mushrik. And he taught him the talbiyah. My brother is saying, Hajj is talking about, right? Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam taught the talbiyah to Thumamah ibn Uthal, radiyallahu anhu. Labbaik, Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk, la sharika lak. Thumamah ibn Uthal, radiyallahu anhu, is the first man in history to make the talbiyah while making a tawaf, going to the camel. First man. So he went there and he loudly called the talbiyah, and the Quraysh came. They said, what is this? Where did you get these words from? He said, I am a Muslim. I have accepted the religion of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and this is what he taught me. So somebody tried to beat him, somebody pulled out an arrow, then they stopped him. They said, do you know who this? The other people, they said, you know who this man is? You kill him, we are finished. Leave him alone, you can't touch this man. He is too big and too powerful a man. So he said, I want to announce to you guys. He said, from today, not 1 grain of rice will come to Makkah. He said, I'm stopping all the caravans that come with. The Banu Hanifa were on the caravan route. He said, no food will come to Makkah from today until Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam orders it. He stopped everything. It got to the point, prices went up. It got to the point where they started starving. They literally had no food. So they wrote a letter and they sent a man. They said, Ya Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, tell your man, we are starving here. Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told him, release them. Let them go, let the food go there.